Badgie. I can't dance. I got no groove.
Come on, everybody can dance.
Not me, okay? Really stiff. See? I don't understand.
Okay, no, stop. See now what you are saying? Just follow her moves.
Ready to dance and free. This I can't do.
Dude, I'll just shut up and express yourself.
Don't dance?
Yeah, you got it. Go, girl. Now throw some sauce on that dance burrito. Woo-hoo.
I'm doing it. I'm fully nailing this dance.
You got it.
Great job. You're moving on to free dance. Impress us with your moves to move forward. More dancing.